In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix SteelSeries Arctis 7 no sound issue. The first thing that you want to do is to simply open up your desktop, and from here, you want to make sure that you have selected the headset, which is going to be the Arctis SteelSeries 7. In here, you just want to simply find your headset. In my case, I'm using Voice Meter, or I'm using this specific device right here. This is going to be plugged onto my monitor. You can just make sure that you are using the headset once again. Right after, right click on the volume icon, click on open volume mixer, and from here you want to make sure that your application is also enabled and not muted. Heading back to the same setting, click on sound settings. In here, click on the sound control panel, and then you want to simply look for the Arctis headset. So in my case, it's going to be this one right here, which is going to be raw earphones or raw headset. Now I've named it this way. You can just click on the set default, and you want to make sure that it is enabled on this section. So let's now head over to the application that we want to use. Let's say this one. Head over to the settings. And then you also want to make sure that you are using the headset as a speaker or as an output. So in my case, it's going to be speaker. Select the headset, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.